What's up, everyone? Are you genuinely on the hunt for a smartphone that's going to flip your world upside down? A companion that doesn't just meet your needs but anticipates your every hobby and fuels your wildest ambitions. Today's video isn't just another run-of-the-mill review. Today, we're talking about a device that the tech world is already calling a certified game changer. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going hands-on with the Nokia N75 Pro 5G. Folks, Nokia's comeback isn't just a rumor anymore, it's a full-blown revolution. Let's dive deep into this cosmic piece of tech and find out why this is hands down the biggest smartphone bombshell of 2026. Design. Let's kick things off with the design and the aesthetic. From the moment you pick this thing up, you get that premium, high-end feel that rivals any $1,500 flagship out there. Nokia really pulled out all the stops. An aerospace-grade aluminum frame paired with a stunning satin finish glass back. It just screams luxury. The ergonomics are so refined that, despite packing a massive power source inside, it doesn't feel bulky or heavy in the hand. It's perfectly balanced. Display. Now, let's talk about the display. This is a true cinematic powerhouse. We're looking at a 6.84-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED panel. Have you ever imagined a screen so vibrant that it's hard to tell where the reality ends and the digital world begins? That's what you get here. The 144Hz refresh rate is next-level smooth. Whether you're mindlessly scrolling, crushing high-intensity games, or just navigating through apps, everything feels like butter. You won't be able to look away. Plus, with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, even direct, harsh sunlight is no match for this screen, it stays crystal clear. And for durability, it's rocking Corning Gorilla Glass 7, the gold standard for protecting against drops and scratches. Plus, it's got an IP69 rating, meaning whether you're shooting in a downpour or have a oops moment near the pool, your Nokia is going to stay safe. Camera setup. Now, for the main event, the feature you've all been waiting for, the 400-megapixel DSLR killer primary camera. And listen, these aren't just vanity numbers. The detail this sensor captures is insane. You can zoom in 50x on a photo, and the text is still crisp. Accompanying this is a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that pulls off 100x digital zoom. If you're into astrophotography, mountain vistas, or just getting a close-up of the moon's craters, this is a literal godsend. There's also a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures the whole world without that annoying edge distortion. For the aspiring filmmakers, you're getting 8K at 60 FPS recording, a legit cinematic mode, and top-tier stabilization. Your smartphone is officially your personal production house. And for the selfie lovers, you've got a massive 64-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor. This isn't just a fast chip, this is a supercomputer in your pocket. The AI optimization is constantly learning your habits, so when you're gaming, it funnels every ounce of power into the experience. And don't worry about overheating, the integrated vapor chamber liquid cooling system keeps things icy even during those marathon gaming sessions. Frame drops are a thing of the past, titles like PUBG Mobile or Genshin Impact run on max settings like absolute butter. And speaking of software, Nokia has really cleaned up their act. The N75 Pro 5G offers a clean, bloatware-free experience powered by Android 17. Battery life. When we talk about battery and charging, Nokia has officially made history. A 9500 mAh monster battery. I know, it sounds fake, but they actually pulled it off. Under normal use, this phone will easily cruise through 48 hours, that's 2 full days, without breaking a sweat. And when you finally do need to top up, the 120-watt super fast charging tech takes you from zero to hero in just 25 minutes. Plus, it's got reverse wireless charging, so if your buddy's phone is dying, you can be the hero and share that power. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, is this the right investment for a $700-800 range? Look, at this price point, you are getting the world's fastest processor, a ridiculous 400-megapixel DSLR camera, a 9500 mAh battery, and a premium build. If you look at any other ultra flagship on the market right now, you're paying well over $1,200 for these specs. Nokia has struck a perfect balance that respects your wallet while delivering true high-end performance. In my opinion, if you're planning on upgrading in 2026, you won't find a better value for money device. This is a phone that's going to keep you satisfied for years to come. Do you think the Nokia N75 Pro 5G is going to be the smartphone of the year? Are you planning on making this your daily driver? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I love reading your takes.